Wednesday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. Here's a time-lapse of the day's weather near Johannesburg. We started the day with low cloud and fog that reduced the visibility, but it didn't take long for that to actually lift, and we were left with mostly sunny skies for the rest of your Wednesday afternoon. Now, the clear weather will continue overnight. Look at our satellite loop. Nothing going on across the country. Very little to discuss at the moment. Clear skies with cold temperatures anticipated throughout the Highveld regions. Again, dry weather for all of South Africa tonight with fine conditions and comfortable temperatures along the east coast. Fine weather along the southern Cape. However, temperatures will be on the cool side from Cape Town to George. Now we have this high pressure to thank for our nice stretch of weather across the Republic. Sunshine returns this Thursday to the coastal areas of the country. Mild temperatures over the central parts. Maybe a few high, thin cirrus clouds drifting in from the north by the second half of the day, but nonetheless, we will certainly see sunshine from Mahikeng to Kimberley, Bloemfontein, Johannesburg, and Pretoria. Here's your chances of rainfall tonight. As I've already mentioned, no rain, so dry roadways. Travel freely, no problems on account of the weather, unless you consider the cold weather to be a nuisance. You'll have to bundle up tonight near Bloemfontein, 7 below freezing, so very, very chilly across the central Free State. Light and variable winds with clear skies overnight. Now that clear weather will continue into your Thursday. Temperatures warm to 17, mostly sunny skies, and light northwesterly winds about 5 to 10 kilometers per hour at best. Now winds across the rest of the country. We do have a northwesterly component to the wind for the Karoo all the way to the south coast, so that would be offshore winds for places like George, Plettenberg Bay, and Port Elizabeth. Southeasters for Cape Town, light to moderate. Northeasters for the west coast, where you see the lack of wind arrows across the Highveld and the KwaZulu-Natal province. That's where we're expecting light and variable winds. Now this is your minimum temperatures overnight. 7 below for both Bethlehem and Bloemfontein, dropping below freezing for Johannesburg. As we look into your Thursday afternoon, it will be very autumn to early winter-like across the country. 23 for Durban, 22 degrees near East London, as well as Bisho and Port Elizabeth. Cape Town maxes out at 21, 20 if you're located near Kimberley, 21 for Mahikeng, 17 for Johannesburg, 20 degrees for Pretoria. Your extended forecast this Friday, very little change, maybe slightly milder weather expected along the coastal areas. Sunshine all around from the west coast to the east coast. Things start to get interesting, however, by Saturday. Another approaching storm system will bring rain and cooler weather over the west, with a nice stretch of weather continuing across the Highveld and the east coast by Saturday afternoon. That's all from me. Enjoy the rest of your nights.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com